Avoid the trap of not treasuring what you truly have. Many make this mistake in life. You'll end up losing what is really precious. Remember, some things in life can't be fixed once they're broken. Time doesn't heal all wounds. You don't want to lose what you value the most. How you treat people and what you do for them will, in no way, guarantee any form of reciprocation on their part. Some may even take you for granted. That's the nature of man. Don't despair because the Almighty is aware of every single deed, no matter how small they may appear. Life is not a sprint but a long, arduous ordeal, a marathon. If you don't pace yourself you will burn out. So keep a steady pace and keep your focus on the road ahead. Remember, as long as you're doing your part, the Almighty will do the rest. Don't stress too much. Keep going. We've all had things done to us by other people. For some, they want to settle the score and seek revenge, although we have been taught not to repay evil with evil. Revenge can backfire. The best way to seek justice is often to leave it to the Almighty. If you're going through a rough patch, a difficult time, know that you're not alone. That's life, with all its ups and downs. Embrace it. What you're going through is not peculiar to you. Everyone has a story to tell, a wound to heal or a scar to show. So keep your chin up. The nicest people are empathetic. They put themselves in everyone's shoes. They know how bad it feels to be mocked at, ridiculed and made fun of. They understand that life has its moments. They try to help people overcome their struggles and spread kindness in their path. At times you will feel like your faith is being tested. Your soul is tired. You start questioning things. You're doubtful. You're fearful. This is all part of the Almighty's plan. But remember, He will never burden you with more than you can bear. Trust Him with all your heart. When one door closes, don't despair, another 10 are open but we often refuse to see them. Perhaps the door you wanted to enter from would not have led you to the success you imagined. Trust the Almighty. He steers you towards success even when you think He has abandoned you. Almighty, thank you for always being there. Some days feel too hard. We're hurting, struggling, fighting fear and worry at every turn. You're the only one who can turn hearts around. You're our healer. Nothing is too difficult for you. Strengthen our conviction in you. They say old habits die hard. Do not go back to your old ways, no matter what you're experiencing in life. Toxic habits, negative people and negative energy always tend to make a comeback when you are doing better in life. Don't neglect your link with your Maker. Stay focused,